In the early 2000s in Russia, a young boy began to tell a story so unusual and so detailed that it quickly attracted attention from scientists, researchers, and people around the world because he claimed that he had once lived on another planet, and that planet was Mars. The boy became known as the Martian boy, and his real name was Boriska Kaprianovich. From a very young age, Boriska showed signs of unusual intelligence, and he began speaking about space, planets, and ancient civilizations in ways that seemed far beyond his age. What made his story even more fascinating was the level of detail he gave. He claimed that he had lived on Mars in a previous life, and that the people there were highly advanced, with knowledge far beyond modern human technology. According to his story, life on Mars was once rich and developed, but it was destroyed by a great disaster, which forced survivors to live underground. Boriska also spoke about ancient civilizations on Earth, especially Egypt, and claimed that there were hidden secrets connected to the pyramids and human history. He said that humanity has lost important knowledge over time, and that one day, these secrets might be discovered again. These ideas made many people wonder whether he was simply imagining things, or whether there was something more behind his words. Some researchers and journalists who met Boriska were surprised by his confidence and the way he explained complex ideas. They said he spoke clearly and seemed very sure about what he was saying, which made the story even more mysterious. However, there is no scientific evidence to prove that his claims are true. Scientists often explain such cases as the result of imagination, strong memory, or information learned from books, media, or conversations. Children can sometimes create very detailed stories, especially when they are intelligent and curious. Even so, the story of the Martian boy continues to draw in attention because it touches on one of humanity's biggest questions. Are we alone in the universe? And is it possible that life exists beyond Earth in ways we do not yet understand? The mystery becomes even more interesting when we consider how little we truly know about Mars. Although scientists have studied the planet for many years, many questions remain unanswered. Could there have been life there in the past? And if so, what happened to it? The story of the Martian boy may not have clear answers, but it reminds us that the universe is full of mysteries, and that sometimes even the most unusual stories can make us think more deeply about our place in the cosmos.